I really wanted to commit suicide at the age of 12 years old because I was hopeless, I was purposeless, and even if I was having so many academic achievements during that time, but it really felt just so empty. And I was also seeking for love, attention, especially from my family. Sobrang nahihirapan lang po ako during that time. Sinabi ko na kay God na, Lord, kung talagang mahal mo ako, merong care talaga sa akin. Lord, pwede bang gumawa ka ng paraan? Tapos biglang nagulat ako, the moment that I was about to do it, biglang kumatok yung tatay ko. Tapos nakakatawa lang kasi bigla siyang nagbigay ng fries. Eh, noong time na yun, ayoko nang buksan eh. Ganun, ayoko nang buksan. Pero may gusto kasi siyang iabot na pagkain sa akin. Doon ko nakita talaga si God. Na God intervened. And during that time, He really wanted to tell me na I love you, anak. I see you. And I am not yet done with your story. Today, I am a full-time campus missionary at Elevate Bay Area Parkal, and I've been reaching out to students who also struggled with the same struggles that I did. Nag-meet po kami sa mga campuses, different Pasay City campuses, and tinetrain po namin sila, pinapakilala din po namin sa kanila kung sino nga ba ang Panginoon sa buhay nila. Na hindi porket bata sila, they're only youth, they're teenagers, ay wala po silang potential. Because if God is gonna use them, He's gonna use them mightily, beyond what they can ask or imagine. Sa mga kabataan, totoo nga po na ang kabataan ay ang pag-asa ng bayan. Ang kabataan na may Jesucristo sa kanyang buhay, ang tunay na pag-asa ng bayan. Bakit? Dahil yung pag-asa nasa Kanya at bit-bit natin yon at kaya natin yon ipangalandakan sa buong Pilipinas through our campuses, through our families, through our communities and nations. That's why, to all the Gen Z, have faith in Jesus. Continue to love Jesus and don't hesitate to reach out, because before we even reach out, Jesus already reached out to us. He loves you, He pursued you, and He continues to love you up to this very day. He sees you, He knows you, and He loves you.